This is probably the weirdest animal in the world. Meet the platypus, Australia's enigma. Platypus, or Ornithorhynchus anatinus, is a mysterious animal that borrows all of its body parts from different animals. It looks like a combination of beaver, otter, and duck. It looks like a science experiment that went wrong, but it gets even weirder. Platypuses are monotremes, which means they are mammals that lay eggs, instead of giving birth to live young, like most other mammals, and female platypuses produce milk by sweating it out. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs. While non-lethal to humans, the venom can cause excruciating pain. They have electroreceptors in their bills that allow them to find their prey by detecting the electric fields in the water. Scientists studied platypuses' DNA and determined that they share DNA with mammals, birds, and reptiles, making them nature's Frankenstein.